Hey, welcome back again. Today on the channel, I'll be doing a short video on this cool drone landing pad, which is actually called the Landing Pad Pro, as you can see here. And it's made by a company called Pgytech, which specializes in making high quality, custom-made accessories for drones, cameras, and other video related products. I'm very curious to check this landing pad out, so let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So here's the landing pad itself, and as you can see here, it also comes with a travel pouch, which is great for storing the pad and also protects it from wear and tear. So it's nice to have a bag to store it in. The orange color is very bright and does pop out, and on the bottom corner is the brand logo. It is made from a material that's not only waterproof but also resistant to the sun as well, so it won't discolor that easy over time. So let's unfold it here. Alright, let's remove this foam padding to the side. It unfolds very easily, and it's not that big in size as I thought it would be, which is perfect for outdoors. On the other side is the blue color option, as you can see. And the helipad symbol is a bright white that's clearly visible from above. So let me show you guys how it looks with the Seafly Faith 2 placed on it. Now what I really like about this landing pad is the fact that it's easy to travel with, and also the fact that it protects your drone's motors from getting dirt and dust lodged into them, especially on outdoor surfaces. Which can create problems over time during takeoffs. For example, you see the motor on this drone is exposed, so dirt and dust can easily get in there. So having a landing pad really helps prevent this, especially when you're out on the field. Anyway, I'll leave a link below for you guys to check it out if you're interested. That's it for this video. If you like the video, do leave a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to the channel. Just make sure you hit that notify bell so that you know when I upload a new video. Alright, see you on the next one.